All right, this is a good problem simply because it's just asking about a test score that you would want to get. We all do this, right? If we wanted at least 80%, like it says here in the problem, in the class in order to get a B, but we have the first three tests, we just don't know what that last test is. We have to take it, so we'd want to know what we would need to get on that last test in order to get the B grade. In order to do this, notice we have the three test scores, right? 65, 72, and 95. What we don't know is that fourth test score. Now if we add all these together, notice this B grade, or the 80%, is the average of these. So we would take, in order to find the average, we have four values. We would divide it by 4 in order to get the average, which we want to be at least 80. What this means is that it can be equal to 80, but we would prefer that it be greater than 80, like this. From here, we just solve this like we would any other equation. Some of you guys would add first. Some people would multiply both sides by 4 first. It's not going to matter. We can do both at the same time. So let's go ahead and take 65 plus 72 plus 95, which is 232 plus the x. And since we multiplied both sides by 4, they canceled out. This needs to be greater than or equal to 4 times 80 is 320. In order to find that last test value, we just need to subtract 232 from both sides. And we find that x needs to be greater than or equal to and 88. So in other words, what is the minimum score? It's an 88. So I need to get an 88 or higher on this final test in order to get the 80% in the class that we need. The question is could they shoot for a higher grade, perhaps an A grade? Again, that depends on the percentages, but yes, there is a limit based on these test scores. Notice the 65 and the 72 have brought the average down, which means that the final test will have to be a higher grade. If these two values had increased, it would cause a decrease in this value as well.